single day I'm gonna make something great. That's my way. Every single day.
Hey y'all, welcome to my channel. This is the crochet here after I finish installing it all. This is when I cut and trimmed and thinned it out. This what was left when I thinned it out. And here I just put it in twists to go to bed. And this first look is done by Flexi Rods. I just done different sizes, small, medium, large, just mixed up throughout my hair. I'm showing you the side part. I love my side parts. So you may see a lot of side parts. Here I braided it up, and the little curls at the end are from the smallest Flexi Rods. And I set under a dryer to get it to, you know, to keep its pattern or whatever. Also set under the dryer for the first look, the curls with the Flexi Rods. They probably would have come out a little more defined here if I would have dipped them, but I really wasn't into dipping. That's why I always set under a dryer, a hooded dryer. But this is my go-to look here, especially when it's grown out. I really like this. It's one of my favorite, and it's my final look video. Thank you so much for watching. If you want some tutorials, let me know.